Do you know that which is the most expensive biscuit in the world? The world's most expensive biscuit is 103 years old. During the sinking of the Titanic ship in 1912, the survivors kept this biscuit as a memory, and you will be surprised to know that when this biscuit was auctioned, the price of this biscuit was 10,000 pounds. We all eat biscuits either by dipping it in milk or by dipping it in tea. But while eating biscuits for so many years, have you ever thought that why there are holes in biscuits? Irrespective of the company or brand of the biscuit, all biscuits have holes. Different brands of biscuits have different number of holes. But what is the main reason to make holes in the biscuits? The story of the hole found in the biscuit is quite interesting. It takes 15 minutes to cook one biscuit, and many ingredients are used to make a biscuit. Baking powder, skimmed milk, emulsifier, sodium metabisulfate, fat, flour, sugar, and water are mainly used to make biscuits. But when the biscuit is cooked by mixing all these ingredients together, then the biscuit has to go through many precautions. The problem of breaking the biscuit is the most while baking, because when the biscuit is cooked, many types of gases start to forming in it, like ammonium bicarbonate and carbon dioxide. During the cooking of the biscuit, these gases start breaking the biscuit from inside and cause cracks in the biscuits. Holes are made in the biscuits to prevent breakage during baking and to give the biscuits a proper shape so that there are no cracks in the biscuits and the biscuits can be cooked in a proper shape. A machine called docker is used to make holes in the biscuits. That's why no cracks are formed in the biscuits during cooking. When the machine make hole in the biscuits, gases like ammonium bicarbonate, carbon dioxide present in the biscuit are released and the biscuit starts to cook in a certain shape and there is no cracks in it and the biscuit does not break either. That's why holes are made in the biscuits. Now we will know some such amazing facts about biscuits that you have never heard before. World famous biscuit, which is most popular all over the world, and this biscuit has break the world record of best selling, whose name is Parle-G, and you must definitely taste this biscuit. If you have also eaten this biscuit, then definitely tell us by writing in the comment. Biscuit is a Roman word in which bis means twice and coctus means to cook, that is a sweet that has been cooked twice. Isn't it wonderful? We all have heard the name of Independence Day, Environment Day and Yoga Day, but have you ever heard the name of Biscuit Day? It sounds a little funny to see, but it's true. Biscuit Day is celebrated every year in Britain on 29th May. This day is celebrated in the memory of wonderful happy moments spent with biscuits. The country that is very famous for biscuits, and there are much more variety of biscuits than any other country. The Nielsen study adds India is the world's leading market for biscuits, ahead of the US, Mexico, China, Argentina, France, Italy, Germany, Turkey and Spain. The world's oldest biscuit making company, that's name is Chef's Biscuit, who first started making biscuits in the world in 1784. Your one like is very precious for us, so please like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to watch such amazing videos.